Hey guys, SoundKiller here. Today I'm going to be talking about my top VST plugins for 2018. Since 2018 is almost about to end, I'm going to be talking about my most used VST plugins, why I like them, why I would recommend them, what you can use them for, and yeah, let's get started. Massive is a really great synth. It's been around since 2007, if I'm not mistaken. It's like what revolutionized electronic dance music, EDM. So it's a really powerful synth. You can still make really unique things even to this day. Massive X is gonna be coming soon, so that's something interesting. I can't wait to get it and review it and talk about it and see what it has. Massive X looks really promising, looks very different to Massive, and let's see how it is. You guys might be thinking, is this a joke? But I've actually used a lot 3x oscillator for doing subs and ARPs as well. It's like the most CPU friendly plugin you can get in FL Studio. It's very simple plugin VST. Most of you guys just overlook it, just think, oh, this is a really simple plugin, I don't need to use it, I can just use Serum. But actually you can use 3x oscillator to do your simple sub bass or your simple ARP. Just do simple things with this and just save up a lot on CPU. Kontakt is also made by Native Instruments, the same people that did Massive. It's a very good sample-based VST. You can get some really high quality samples, like for example brass, strings. You can get some really high quality sounds out of this. So this is a really great plugin. If you like to do clear, natural sound, Kontakt is definitely the way to go. Spire, I'd call it, or I'd say that it's basically Silent's bigger brother. It's a really powerful synth. What I like about Spire is that it has a really analog feel to it. It sounds very analog, has that warmth sounds to it, and you can get some really nice sounding vintage sounds out of it. Like for example, some sync and some leads and stuff like that sounds from the 80s. You can get those sounding very easily in Spire. Plus it also has one of the best factory banks out there. All the presets feel very usable, so you can not feel bad about using presets because you have a bunch of presets that you can use to make just simple loops and sounds and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend Spire for starting out. Serum is the powerhouse since of a few years ago. Since Serum was released, it's been the top plugin for most or every electronic dance producer. I can't say everybody, but mostly everyone knows what Serum is. Everyone uses it. It's a very powerful synth. Plus, the good thing is that you can get it for really cheap from Splice by paying a monthly fee. Instead of paying it all in one payment, you can do a monthly pay for some time period, and you can get it and you can enjoy it without having to make a big hole in your pocket. Just paying $10 monthly. Serum is really high quality. It has all the features of everything you can ask for. It has FM synthesis, objective, additive. You can say it has it all. It's a very powerful synth. It's also a wavetable synthesizer, so you can import your own wavetables and do a lot of things with that. But yeah. This is my top VSTs for 2018. This is what I use in 2018. Hopefully you guys like this. I'll be doing more videos like this of what I did in 2018. I'm gonna be doing some freeware as well, plugins and samples and those kinds of things. So if you guys wanna check that out, don't hesitate to subscribe and follow the channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you guys can get notified when I upload my new videos, and just stay up to date with everything SoundKiller. So yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time.